What's up guys, it's me from Shenzel. In today's video we are going to be opening up morpeko V Union box. So yeah, let's get right into it. If I can. Oh, it's already. Oh. So you get your morpeko cards, and then 4 packs, 2 Fusion Strike, and 2 Brilliant Stars.
I know tokens.
So hold on. There you go. That's the plastic. So. Oh, there. All right, hold on. Don't. All right. Oh, when you open this, you also get You get Professor Burnett with it. So here are the cards. So there's the top half, the bottom, the other top half, and then the other bottom. And then your jumbo card, which it should look like with
The little card.
fully put together. It's pretty cool artwork. And then we have our 4 packs. So, boom, 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 boom. All right?
You go first.
All right. Actually, I'm going to start with Fusion Strike. Can you move over, please?
Sure.
Don't have that much.
Whoever has opening something, they have to go to the camera.
All right. Code card. 4. All right, here we go. First pack magic. Ow, I cut myself. All right. Let's see. Darmuka, Sizzlypede, Stuffle, Puzzle, Oricorio, and then Evaltal non-holo. This video is gonna be very short. Oh, I cut myself. I'm alright. Here. Oh, it's not that bad. It's a little scratch. There you go.
How am I so weak on this channel?
It's hard
Yeah.
to open. If it's hard to open, that means there's something good inside. That's what they say. I hope. Code card right there. 2, 4.
Thank you.
Alright, Energy, Dusclops, Beartick, Rosame's Backup, Thrower, Shermish, Piplup, Turtwig, Sneasel, Collapse Stadium, and Grimmsnarl non-holo. Okay, so
Your turn.
put these over here. Then last pack magic for me and then my sister. Hopefully we can get something good out of Brilliant Stars, or at least something. Code card right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put that back. Alright. Energy, Tropius, Rosame's Backup, Blunder Policy, Impidimp, Magmar, Riolu, Burmy, Staryu, Reversal Sock, the Flygon non-holo. Alright, so come on. Here,
We have to get something.
get something good. Last pack magic.
Please.
This video is very short.
Because we only have
4 packs.
4. I'm going to say 2 out of 2.
Alright. Code card.
Especially.
2, 3.
So I have a black.
There you go.
Thank you.
Alright. Ready? So energy.
I think I'm too close.
Farewell bell. Galarian Leanin. Stanley. Shouter. Voltorb. Pansage. Cufant. Gligar. Melton and oh!
Yes! We finally
We got a
something.
Chili and Lion and Crest full art trainer. There we go. Last pack magic. Good job.
I'm the luckiest one.
Yeah, always the luckiest.
Yeah.
All right,
but sometimes
that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys next time. Bye.